Hey everyone, this is Maddie with Studio 512. Let's relax and declutter with Carrie and her organizing business. Say it with me.
I'm Carrie Winfrey, and I am the owner and lead organizer at Ohm Organizing. Organizing and design have always been a big passion of mine. One of my coworkers, her mom was a professional organizer, and I was like, wow, that's a job? That's amazing. So I started organizing for a few clients on the side and built my business from there. So I worked in education for 15 years, and that's a job where it really pays to be organized is when you're in a room full of 30 middle schoolers. I have a lot of clients that I continue to see on a consistent basis year after year. So I love building those relationships with people. So when a client contacts me initially, they tell me a little bit about their story, how they came to me, how they found me, and what they're looking for. Some people just need somebody to come in and fix it quick, but a lot of people, it's more of a systemic issue. I love the transformation, really seeing just the stress fall off of their faces whenever they walk into a space and see how it makes them feel. It really makes a big difference in people's lives. It's one thing to read about it, it's another thing to have an accountability partner, to have somebody work with you side by side and actually go through the process and kind of show you how to do it. You know, as a former teacher, they learn by doing. And so that makes a really big difference. Being able to come home to a space that feels comforting and soothing and not chaotic. We want a space that we're able to maintain, that makes us feel happy, that makes us feel whole, that feels like home. Everybody has stuff. We all have stuff. We all like our stuff. But most of us have too much. There are lots of reasons that people hold on to things. Just going through the process of, do I like it? Do I love it? Do I need it? Do I want it? All of those questions, people are able to examine the things in their life, why they have them, and sometimes why they love them and why they are going to keep them. And it also helps for people to be able to start that process of letting go too. Things do pile up from time to time. Sometimes my work schedule is really busy and it's hard to keep up with things, but having systems in place already make messes very easy to clean up. I always say if somebody calls me and they're coming over in 20 minutes, I want to be able to sweep through and be able to at least clean up downstairs. Perfection's not attainable. We all do the best that we can. And so just understanding and giving yourself some grace whenever things get out of order.
To learn more or to book Carrie and her services, go to ohmorganizingservices.com. Catch more fun here at Studio 512, live every weekday at 11 a.m. And remember to follow us on social media.